the knife first, then come
10-4. Officer Osborne, go ahead and 87 with Elisaris. Have you guys remain on the south side. Is he in sight still? We can still hear the subject. He's out of our visual range right now, though.
He's on the south side of the building.
Okay, I want to make sure if he goes on the other side, we got enough. So let me just tie. We're gonna have to transition on the other side. Let me get.
Whoever cover needs to be that shield, guys, and then you gotta have a message. Whoever's gonna be that lethal needs to have that shield. Because the first time.
Are you guys good here? If he's gonna go over there, I want to get 3 over there.
Listen, right? So right. If something goes bad, he's our shield, right? If he comes anywhere near here, I'm gonna pop him with 40 miles.
7 to Elisaris. If he goes out the southeast, will you be able to see him? If you guys can, get to a position where you can see the southeast as well. I just want a perimeter right now. We keep them in there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to join them on the other side. Okay, back it up.
Hey, here's the gun! Hey, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Back it up, back.
Drop the gun!
Hey,
here's the gun! Hey, drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Back it up, back.
Drop the gun!